ChatGPT Images 2.0 can turn a simple selfie into a ready-to-use headshot that fits your personal or professional needs. You start with a simple photo of yourself and describe the style you want. The system then generates a refined version that looks polished and professional. What makes it feel different is how flexible it is. You are not stuck with a single result. You can ask for small adjustments like better lighting or a different outfit style, and it updates the image while keeping your face consistent. This makes it useful for people who need professional photos but do not have access to a studio or photographer.